Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study science-based step by step. Start by defining a focused question, list core concepts, and set measurable goals for each study session. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and deliberate practice with imperfect information to test understanding. Gather reliable sources, extract key evidence, and summarize findings in your own words for retention and future review. Identify effective study techniques and apply them consistently across topics to build scientific thinking. Rotate active recall with spaced repetition and interleaving to improve memory and transfer. Combine reading with hypothesis testing, diagramming, and explaining concepts allowed to reveal gaps. Track progress with short quizzes and adjust strategies based on where errors persist, focusing time on the hardest concepts while collect and evaluate evidence methodically to ground your learning in reliable information and reduce misconceptions. Look for peer-reviewed studies, reputable textbooks, and primary data when possible. Assess study methods, sample sizes, and limitations, and note how conclusions were drawn. Summarize key findings in concise notes and link them to your questions so you can trace ideas back to sources during revision and discussion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.